Hi everyone, I'm Sean, and today I'm super excited to announce our brand new ALTA G1M Micro-ATX tower chassis. Over the years, SilverStone has developed quite a few chassis designs that's proven to stand the test of time and loved by PC enthusiasts. Yet as technology and hardware components advances, chassis designs must also elevate too. Therefore, SilverStone engineering team created the ALTA G1M as part of the flagship ALTA chassis line, which embodies the characteristics and qualities of the iconic Fortress FT03, while delivering extraordinary building experiences for today's highest end of hardware components. So let's quickly dive in and see what ALTA G1M has to offer. Upon first glance, the ALTA G1M immediately stands out with its 90-degree rotated motherboard layout, inherited from the Fortress FT03. This layout reduces the chassis' overall footprint, as it's tall in height and short on depth, and contributes to an excellent bottom-to-top directional airflow we call stack effect cooling, which takes advantage of hot air's natural tendency to rise. The ALTA G1M was designed with high airflow in mind. The solid steel construction and perforated steel panels adds a distinctive but subtle look with a style of durability. Not to mention, we've designed it with modular panels, so all 4 panels including the top cover can be removed, which eases the build process and upgradability at a later date. Included with the case is a 180mm PWM air penetrator fan, the AP184i Pro, which sports the iconic air penetrator grille and has a 0 to 1200 RPM speed range, capable of delivering a large volume of circular motion airflow in a focused direction. Besides the stack effect design, there's also great compatibility for high-end components. ALTA G1M supports SFX-L form factor power supplies, 4-slot graphics cards with clearance of up to 355mm in length and 159mm height clearance for CPU coolers. The included bracket on the right side supports radiators of up to 360mm, 320mm fans, or 2 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch drives. One thing to note is that the thickness of the component chosen for the bracket should be taken into consideration when choosing a CPU cooler, as that will affect the CPU cooler's height limitation. Additionally, the rear fan mount supports 2 120mm fans, or 2 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch drives. The front I/O panel has one USB Type-C port, 2 USB 3.0 port, a combo audio jack, and power and reset button. There's also a strategic placement of openings at the bottom of the chassis to keep the cables out of sight with no excess clutter. To prevent dust accumulating in the case, we've added a dust filter for the 180mm fan at the bottom of the chassis and on the side panels. All in all, the ALTA G1M is a great case with optimal airflow that's perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. For more information, head on over to silverstonetech.com.